Good evening, Mambles. This is my local news report. It's all about Barangay Launch Community Clean-up Drive to prevent flooding. Cebu City, Philippines resident of Barangay San Isidro joined local officials on Sunday in community clean drive aimed at preventing flooding ahead of the rainy season. The active the activity focused on cleaning clogged canals, removing garbage from drainage system, and cleaning nearby creeks. According to barangay official, improper waste disposal has been one of the main causes of flooding in the area during heavy rains. Barangay Captain Maria Lopez emphasized the importance of community cooperation. Flooding prevention is not only responsibility of the government. Every resident must take part in keeping our surrounding clean. She said, more than 150 volunteers, include youth groups and local workers, participate in the clean drive. The barangay also distribute trash bag and reminded residents to practice proper waste segregation. The City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office support the active by providing equipment and safety guidance. Officials said similar cleanup drive will be conducted regularly in other barangays. Residents expressed hope that initiative would help reduce flooding and improve sanitation in the community. The barangay government encouraged the public to report illegal dumping and active participant in future environment program. And that's all. Thank you.